In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this particle trail in 2 minutes. Let's add a curve circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. In object mode, let's type S to scale the circle. In side viewport, I'll rotate the circle -45 degrees. R, X, and -45, that is. I'll add the follow path constraint to the cube like this. Let's click Animate Path, and test the animation. Time to add the particle dust. Do you see how the particle is dropping after being dusted? Let's set the gravity to 0. We can also limit how the particles are being generated, by using the vertex group feature like this. In edit mode, select this face. 1 to vertex select, and Ctrl+G to vertex group. After that, select the group in the particle settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.